Hey, hello traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share another exciting indicator which we just developed. And this indicator is going to make trading much easier and very simple and straightforward because the signals are accurate and the indicator does not repent, so the signals doesn't change. Once you get the signal, you have the full confidence to enter your trade, and it's very easy. So if you are someone who likes to handle high frequency trading, you will use these settings. This indicator you can get from the link in the description. It's very straightforward to add on your TradingView account, and it's straightforward. The default settings for this indicator, which you can get, is 4. It's using an initial distance of 4 because this using exponential rates. This indicator is quite unique because these rare settings. So this current one is using settings of 4, which you can see here, and make sure on the plotting everything here is selected so that you'll be able to have exactly the same thing which I have currently on my chart. So if you are someone who likes to reduce your frequency of trading, I will advise you change these settings to 9 from 4 to 9. This is up to you because you see as I change the settings from 4 to 9, you can see that currently the signals on the chart has reduced, and though the signals are still very accurate, but they have reduced because the settings has increased to 9. So in case if you want to minimize much of the signals, you can as well increase it. It's up to you how you trade and your trading style, and that is all that is required for this indicator. This is our pro exponential trend detector, so which captures every moving trend in the market. And you see when you have this arrow pointing down with this bar, it means that you are moving into a downward trend. And when you have the green triangle pointing up, it means you are moving into a bullish trend, so which is an uptrend. So it's very simple to follow and very easy to follow. So you see from here, the indicator is such that it makes the trading much easier, because from here you see when you get this signal at this point in the market, this is the point at which you are going to open your trade. Once you get the signal, you open your trade, and when you get an opposite signal, that is the point at which you close your trade. Here again, you see here you close this trade and open a new one, and here you will be able to pinpoint exactly what you are able to make from the market. The market is quite volatile at this period of time, and you can see how the indicator is capturing it at every moving point in time. You see from here you are able to make something very nice, because you see at this point, you see from here you have your entry at this point. So when you enter this market at this point, this market, you exit at this point. And for this, we are not using any stop loss because the signals are very accurate and they are 100% accurate. So once you get exit signal, all you need is to exit the market. Assuming you enter this buy trade, and the moment you get this opposite signal here to exit the market, this is the point at which you exit the market and you look for another signal. You see here you have a signal to buy, and here is the point at which you get the signal to exit. You see from here to here you exit the market, and here again you get a very good signal to sell the market. And you see from this point, this is the point at which the signal was generated. At the close of this candle, this is the point where you are going to open your trade. And where do you exit this trade is the close of this signal candle, which gives us another signal on this very particular bar here. You see from here to here you have been able to make a very nice profit, almost 200 pips on this. So it's very unique and very simple and easy to follow. Whether you are a newbie or you are a professional trader, this is quite an interesting indicator which will make your trading much easier and remove a lot of guesswork. because you know so many times in the market a lot of people tend to have guesswork in the market, and that is what lead to losing a trade. But with this indicator you don't need any guesswork. All you need is to follow the signal as they are generated. Remember, as I said, you need to know your trading style to know the settings which you are supposed to use. So if you are someone who likes to do swing trading, increase your settings as I showed on this very particular point. This is where you increase your settings and you'll be able to trade accordingly in favor of your trading style. You see from here again you get a very nice signal here. You see here, this is the point at which you enter the trade at the close of this candle. This is the candle which generated the signal. So where do you exit the market? Here, this is the point at which this was generated. So this is the point at which you exit the market. And at every particular point, once you make your profit, you see there is any minimal loss is very small, because the indicator pinpoints the direction of the market and follow it accordingly. And you see everything is clearly shown on the chart, how you can enter the market and the point at which you exit the market. Like this point, this is the point at which you enter the market. Here, this is the point when this signal was generated, and this signal closed at this point. So this is how much profit you have been able to make from this. Remember, we said on this very particular trading strategy, we are not using any stop loss, because the signals are accurate and the signals are taken as per the trend moving on the chart. You can see everything is clearly shown on the chart. With this indicator, it's 100% for you to have a very good winning strategy. All you need is to follow the system judiciously and understand once you get opposite signal, don't waste time, just enter the market, and once you get exit signal, you just need to exit the market accordingly, and you'll be able to profit from the market. Sometimes you make some loss, but it's going to be very small, because the indicator is detecting this trend. You see, once you have a trend, it will detect it. Once you have a trend down, it will detect it. So this is how the indicator is working. This is a current live market. Like this point at this time, once you get this signal at this point, this is the point at which you enter the trade. All you need is to be monitoring this. The moment you see an opposite signal, that is the point at which you exit the market. You don't do anything else. All you need is place your trade and be monitoring it. The moment you get opposite signal, you exit the market. So I believe with this, everybody that is interested in trading, especially for TradingView, you'll be able to have a good opportunity to understand how the market works and how to utilize this trading system. This is very simple and straightforward. I will advise you leave your comment in the comment box below in case if you need any support or you need any extra advice. Tell us how you find this and how you are faring with trading with it, and we'll be able to guide you further. I wish you happy trading.